In this video, we'll be looking into how to create a free AWS account. It's very simple. Let's get started. You can go to Google. We'll search for AWS free tier. Click on the first link that you get. And this would be the link that we'll be using to create a free account. But before we get started, let's see what actually is free. The account is free for 12 months, post which we'll be getting charged. We can of course cancel our membership over here. But yeah, it's free for 12 months. And what is free in it? We have 750 hours of EC2 VM that is free. It is on a per month basis. 5 GB of S3 bucket, 750 hours of RDS, and so on. Like there are many services that are free. If you would look into it, there are a lot of services, but there is one specific thing that we need to consider. See, within this, we'll be using VMs a lot. Within this VM, only the Linux VMs or SLES VMs are free. So don't create any Windows VMs if you are gonna opt for a free tier and if you want to maintain it as a free tier. Let's have it as a Linux VM. And within this Linux VM, T2.micro or T3.micro, this alone should be used because even if you use T1.micro, which is even a smaller size than T2.micro, that would be charged because these two are alone mentioned as free over here. So this is something important if we are gonna maintain it as free tier. And throughout this course, we'll be using whatever is free and we'll be completing it. So no need to worry about it. Let's get started. Click on create a free account. So here provide your email address and you can provide any account name over here. Let me name it as my root account. I'll be providing my email address over here. You can go ahead and provide yours and verify it. I have received our verification ID. Let me type it over here. We'll provide a password. So the password which I entered seems to be a common one, so it's not accepting it. Let me try a different password. Let's try it again. Okay, in this page, we need to provide whether it's a business account or if it's a personal account. It doesn't really matter, but let's provide it as a personal account. We'll be providing our name over here, current country and its phone number, the address, and we'll be continuing on to the next step. I would suggest you guys to follow the same. So in this step, we'll be providing our credit or debit card details. I'll be filling up these details and proceeding with the next step. But before we proceed, just take a look over here. They'll be holding up to $1 from our account temporarily. They'll be holding it for like 3 to 5 days and they'll be releasing it post that. This is more from a verification point of view. So fill in these details and we'll see in the next page. So if you see, they are charging me just 2 rupees here from my account. Let me provide the OTP over here. So the next step here we can see that we have to confirm our identity. We have to provide our mobile number. Let me provide it. So you guys can proceed with this step. I'll be moving on to the next step post this. So once I provide my mobile number, it asks for a verification, the OTP. Just type it in here. So here we need to select our plan. This is the most important step. Here we'll be choosing the basic support free plan. If you see for the other plans, we have $29 per month plan and $100 per month plan as well. So here you have a 12-hour business response, where in here you have 1 hour response. So here you have email support, here you have 24/4 tech support. This is mostly used for production. This is mostly used for business case, for development side, and this is what we'll be using for our training. Let's complete the sign up. That's it. We are done with our AWS certification. Let's go to the management console. Let's select sign into the console, root user. Let's provide our email address, password. So we have logged into our AWS account. So this is pretty much how to create an account and log into it. In the next steps, we'll be going ahead with how to integrate Terraform with AWS in a proper way. See you in the next session. Thanks.